Okay, now we start making on the same oil that we fried everything. See, the meatballs are also ready. I don't know if you can see it. Everything is on the side. We put sofrito. This is to make the sauce a little sweeter because I don't put sugar. I'm not baking a cake. Sometimes they used to do it because the tomatoes, but the tomatoes in Italy are really sweet. Okay, they used to do it if it was a little, I don't know how you say, aspro. They use the acidity. We used to put bicarbonate of soda, a little bit. But this is the best. Okay? Where is it? Where did it go? Oh my God. Okay, I was looking for the garlic and it was right in front of me. Okay. Let it cook for a little while. Some tomato paste, not much. There was some more. I lost my little mini. Okay. Let's put a little liquid, which is some cab. Let it evaporate a little bit. And then we add the passata. Okay? We shake the bottle. We put it in. I'm gonna put basil really at the end. This is just